2005 GMC Sierra 1500 4.3 liter V6. Got aftermarket catalytic converters right there, right there. They usually flow a little bit better. And then what we did, straight pipe single out the side, right there. They always sound really good with that setup. With a blue flame dual tip right there. That's what it looks like from the side. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It's loud. I like it. Go ahead and back it out. Not bad. What's up, man? Just give me 1 sec.